Well, tonight we are following up on a story we first uncovered last week, amplifying the voices of parents in the Blue Valley School District after they learned a registered sex offender attended an elementary school dance.
The first initial emotion was shock. I just couldn't believe it.
To find out that the school had given permission was very upsetting.
So that person was present in a guardian role and was convicted of child pornography charges. Kansas, by the way, doesn't prohibit registered sex offenders from being near school grounds, but Senate Bill 288 looks to change that. KSHB 41 reporter Alyssa Jackson is in Wichita for a hearing on that bill.
While the Blue Valley School District is discussing their own policy about registered sex offenders being on school grounds, legislators in Topeka are trying to pass a state law.
I urge this committee to pass Senate Bill 288.
I speak against this bill. I begin with questions. Why? And where are the statistics?
Senate Bill 288 would make it a felony for registered sex offenders convicted of crimes against minors to enter school property or attend certain school activities. Remember, these conversations didn't start at the Capitol. They began after a registered sex offender in a guardian role was allowed to be at a Blue Valley elementary school dance. There was nothing illegal about them attending because Kansas has no state law prohibiting it. The school district doesn't have a policy yet either.
My concern is there's no security for my child, and it just kind of seems unfair that he had more rights than us parents did when it came to protecting our children.
In an hour of testimony, there were those who supported, some who remained neutral, and others adamantly against the bill.
It's in all of our best interest to support policies that promote rehabilitation, and we respectfully suggest that this policy does not do that.
Behind Senate Bill 288 is Chair of the Kansas Senate Judiciary Committee and Blue Valley parent Senator Kelly Warren.
We want to make sure that kids are protected and safe from registered sex offenders who have committed a crime against a minor.
Opponents believe it will do more harm than good.
The question that I want to ask today is who is standing up for the children whose parent is on the registry? Senate Bill 288 will devastate their lives.
A man who was a registered sex offender and single parent joined the hearing on video with the same sentiments.
If this bill is passed, it will essentially separate me from her world. I will never be able to be there with what she needs me the most.
Johnson County DA Steve Howe said their data, based on cases they review, shows people who commit sexual crimes against minors have a high risk of reoffending, adding it's not uncommon for convicted criminals to have their rights revoked.
When you are a pedophile or a pedophile-related offense, restricting your access to schools is not that onerous. And, we take away people's right to vote when they are convicted as felons. We take away your driver's license if you commit certain offenses.
Senator Kelly Warren told me after hearing both sides of testimony, the committee will discuss this week whether they want to make any changes to the bill. It will have to pass out of committee before it goes to the Kansas Senate. At the state capitol, Alyssa Jackson, KSHB 41 News.